anaconda, count a whole lot of. Keep me some cash, cool Matata. Whipping it jet, this not a monster. I need some air, who got a dollar? Who got a problem? Hit all the pins, who got the chopper? What's hit a game?
Yeah, what you think about right here? Got the epicenter in the mud. Back doors done. Working on the front door, man. Y'all look at it, 418s in this dude truck. 418.
Oh, you got the whole roof wood now? Oh yeah, he gonna need it.
Heck yeah, man. Y'all check this out. This Tipino right here is an 8K, man. That's already impressive. This man got a 30K. Like, it's crazy. Y'all see it. Got the epicenter and everything in it. Wow, man. We doing big thing. Rolling Loud. Y'all ain't heard of Rolling Loud Club in Mississippi. Y'all need to check them out because they coming with some pressure, man. I'm telling you.
Competition.
Yeah, you ain't,
Willingly or unwillingly.
you in competition now.
You in competition.
Yeah, I'm in the competition of brain.
Your boy done already made it the competition. You see what he just told me on the snap the other day?
Pressure.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you see what he just told me, so.
Oh, he said get your ass sweat or something like that.
Yeah.
They got some pressure, man.
Look at him.
Hey, turn around so I can say this on video.
Oh, I got you.
Terrence Ewing, what he drive that maroon Escalade? We call it Big Flex or something?
Yeah.
He the least of my worries. I'm more worried about this motherfucker than I'm worried about Terrence.
Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on. Terry got some pressure now.
Terrence know who the king is. Add Terrence, what's his reason for even going to get an SUV, man? Terrence know about that. Terrence know Big KD, man, inspired this shit, man. What's going on? He went and got an Escalade and everything.
They do competition. I got a Tahoe. How did you got a Tahoe?
Not many.
Yeah, you good.
Hey, your cousin, hey. Like your cousin coming with that. Ain't that your cousin? Oh, it was up here yesterday with the Tahoe to doing the 415.
No, this
Okay, cool head came for. Man, they got that nigga going four. That nigga going four Sundown ZB6s.
Woo!
Yes.
Yeah, he gonna have some real pressure.
Yes.
He got some pressure.
Yeah. Hell, it took him and Arbor to lift the motherfucker up, put it back in the truck yesterday. I mean, they don't make no goddamn sense.
Oh yeah.
100
Man, 100 pounds. The ZV6, man, that's the biggest sundown they made.
That's the biggest sundown they make.
I forgot to go ahead and put y'all in it right here. Cause we back with another banger.
Yeah, y'all see it right here too. What's it? The King Boys right here.
Yeah, you know, look at I need to be doing better what I'm doing. Y'all don't see much, but look at I'm here.
Damn.
Yes.
That's what I told him. I said, look at that little bitty thing.
I could have put another 2-inch right there.
That's what I'm saying. Cause like
Arbor, you ain't got no 2-inch throat around here? You ain't got no 2-inch throat around here? Just a throat. You ain't got no throat?
I might have something later.
I told you.
That's a 1-inch, ain't it? Yeah, we need something more like this. That's a 1-inch though.
That's what that is.
That's a 1-inch?
That's a 1-inch.
Nah, we need something. This is exactly what you need right here.
Yep.
That's exactly what you need. Yeah, that's a 1. Yeah, it's just a 2.
I think it's 2.
That might be a 2.
That might be 2 because it more
Yeah, that might be a 2. Yeah,
that one. Yeah.
Yeah, we need another 2.
Yeah.
We can do another 2-inch.
Yeah. Cause that one right there, woo.
Hey, I'm gonna take this home. I got some more 2-inch strokes at the house. I'm gonna take this just to measure them.
Go ahead.
So I can see.
All right, good.
I got the 2-inch strokes like. Do I ever got 2 inches in these dogs? Ain't got none of those.
So what all you got right here left on my guy? What all you got left to do? As far as like shut up and stuff with your mate?
Still gotta put some batter on
Yeah.
up and down.
Yeah.
Drill holes in there.
Yeah.
Gotta go a little bit.
I hear that. Y'all check this out right here. I'm taking the delivery of my new AMG right here. Now what y'all think about the upgrade? Come up to the Mexican thing. Have a drive right here. Twist twin turbo, y'all see it.
Big money status.
Yeah, man. What y'all think about it, man? My new delivery. Was it a good purchase? Was it not a good purchase? Talking about a haircut? I don't know. But I tell you one thing.
Green?
What they said. Bad song going here. But y'all, man, y'all check it out, man. This is a beautiful car right here, man. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't get this car right here, man. This is a nice car right here. I ain't gonna lie. But this is what we're gonna work up to. We're working ourselves on the YouTube to this right here to establish that. We're gonna speak it in existence. AMG, y'all see it right here. One of a kind car right here, man. 2018. Interior full done. Look at the interior of this thing. Interior fully done, fully loaded. Got the roof in it. But yeah, we're gonna work our way to this right here. This is what we're gonna be working on for 2024. Definitely. Yo, this is a beautiful car, man, right here. AMG. What y'all think about it? Should I get something like this later on in time? Or should I buy a Hellcat later on in time? Or what should I buy later on in time? Box 7? You know, I don't know. But I feel like this is status right here for sure. Beautiful car. Heck yeah. Trunk clean, everything. Got a lot of room. We can put 215.
It got like the trunk like on that Cadillac.
Yep.
Kind of like clothes and shit.
Yep.
Oh, you by yourself and shit?
I said trunk clothes on the. Yeah, yeah. Y'all see dual exhaust on the back.
But that hard, that's for
Man.
He traded in, got a TRA.
Oh wait, yeah, he came up then big time. He came up.
I don't use that bit for traffic.
Man, you ain't lying. Man, might as well say
But yeah, man, we out here, man, making new things happen. Shoot. What y'all think about this little hamster car right here? Little bitty car right here. Put a little high boost motor in this thing, man. Thing to get on down then probably. Little car got a lot of room in the sun gun too. Little hamster car. Heck yeah. Look at that CD player right there. Y'all see it right there. Got enough room, put 215 back there, you know. Have them facing up. But I wasn't expecting the little car had that much room. The little Scion or Skyon, whatever you call it. Got the wing in the back for the aerodynamic. Hey, 2 color. Put a high booster motor in that sun and get on down.
I don't see what that shit say, man. What that shit say, man? Man, rolling loud, man.
Rolling loud, y'all see it right there.
I know what's going on, man.
If you ain't heard of it, you finna hear about it now.
Yeah, man.
Look at that mud. Hey, straight pressure. Straight pressure.
This shit a movement now, man.
Yeah, yeah. We tryna rest on the AK square out here, see. Yeah, that's a lot of pressure right there.
Bro,
What
that's
you
a
think
lot
about
of
it?
pressure back there, man.
Man, he got a whole,
He ain't playing.
he got a whole 30K even if we make this.
He got a whole 30K back there, bro.
Dang, good
That's
gracious.
the only thing I'm worried about.
And that's something down. He got a whole 30K back there.
Got the
boy.
bang
Wait, I
right there
take that
too.
back. I ain't worried about it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Alright.
What about Terrence, man?
I ain't worried. Look, I told you weren't here earlier for my.
You weren't here.
Ain't nobody worried about Terry Ewing, man. What's the name of the truck? Big Flex or some shit, man. Shit. I ain't worried about him, man.
Talking reckless.
Hey, I ain't involved in the chairs. I'm just saying.
It's all love now. I love you. I still love you, baby. But hey,
Somebody FaceTime.
hey, you said it. You said it. It's wartime, baby.
Yeah.
I can hear
It's wartime, man.
Let me see if he answers.
It's wartime, man.
I can hear it now.
Uncle T, that's where they come, man. Uncle T.
Hey, so back before I get on Uncle T too bad.
Yeah,
I ain't too much worried. I'm worried about it, but I ain't.
yeah.
Cause he can't use that whole 30K. Them motherfucker gonna be blowed through the top of the goddamn truck you use all that 30.
They prototypes on here. I don't care if I'm blowing that. Cause they got a second auto I can have more power to them.
Oh, for real?
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody said, dang.
Man, that boy ain't booing.
Hey, you ain't playing.
Everybody
I
said,
don't know why they
dang.
put that back up there though. I know they told Brody.
Oh, this
Take this
TV.
motherfucker down.
I know he got that bitch pretty tight now.
How tight that
But that bitch ain't finna move. That wood right there. And it's bolted to the wood, ain't
He
it?
finna goddamn crack.
Nah,
He
the
goddamn
wood.
with all this shit.
frame of the truck.
Oh, you can see the wood sitting right there.
Yeah, you look right there.
He
He
better say he can put it all the way by the sunroof. He finna crack that goddamn. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Nah, I ain't going nowhere. Shit.
Got the Max been still in the air.
Yeah, it's still there.
I'm saying that bitch down. I got the rolling loud. We finna blow something with that motherfucker.
Tell you what, we're gonna see how good this box build right here. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. We supplying the bread. Oh yeah, my bad, bro. Come on in.
That's understandable, though.
Like how I be in all this.
Yeah.
Look, my price is so high, motherfucker don't want to pay. But I don't need all that. Just do this, just do that. No, that ain't what I do.
Yeah, that's what he
You know
did.
what I'm saying?
He won the
My
bet.
name on it, so
Yep.
yeah, I understand what he's saying. I totally understand what he's saying. Yeah, I feel what he was saying.
Yeah.
So with that box being undersized, it may cost you 2 or 3 decimals.
Yeah.
Two decimals.
Yeah. But it may also change the tune of it, too.
Oh, the tuning is lovely.
Oh,
I love the tuning.
Oh, tune good?
Hell yeah, the tuning is it been low.
Yeah.
Also, she get them down though.
Hell yeah. I can't wait to put this till you turn it on so I can put this goddamn song on for it.
I already got a song for him.
Hell yeah, we're gonna do a Hertz test in this bitch.
I already got a song for him.
Yeah, I already got a song for him.
But wait, ain't it?
I ain't leaving till you find that bitch up. I ain't going nowhere.
I ain't
527, I ain't going nowhere.
Hey, I ain't missing nothing.
Can't miss it though.
Man, no, it's once in a lifetime type of stuff. I ain't seen.
I got that gauge you got right here, though.
Oh yeah, that yeah. Well, he just hooked up another one. Oh, here you go, right here.
So what's that one running?
That's a voltmeter.
Yes, for me
You
too.
must be running the battery up there then.
Yep, and that's what he's hooking up now.
That gonna be running this one.
Yeah, that's gonna be running lithium.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too.
But that voltmeter.
Yeah. So I can watch the voltage on my lithium while I know what's
So
going.
that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna put one on the front battery. But see, it really need to be going.
Back here.
No, it really need to be running into the amp.
To the amp?
That's
So you know
what
what your amp
want.
is.
That's what you want.
Yeah,
That's what you want to know where that power is.
Yeah.
See where
You
it's
know
coming
what I'm
from.
saying? See where
Yeah.
what is getting to the amp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch out, Malik. All right.
So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna do like how you got 2. I'm gonna put one on the.
Man, that goddamn roof. He talking about they glad. Man, that's plastic.
But if he
Plastic goddamn roof.
come on, y'all, let's get out of the way, man. Let's let him work. Let's let him work.
He said we're gonna plastic.
Yeah, pay no pancake to move.
It's plastic.
Yeah, he knows. He put some power. He put some power in that bitch and break that truck.
Right.
You better see that.
That motherfucker, hey, bro, that night he went down there and heard that bitch. Man, that boy
Oh
shit
yeah,
sound-
when he first put him in
Man,
there,
that boy
he
shit was sounding just like he got down store or the 10 on that motherfucker. That's how his truck was sounding, just like the 10. I said, now come and get this here. That damn 10 in his truck sounded just like, I said, God damn. Shit, boy, pancake, man. Pancake in that bitch.
But he just losing so much pressure. His pressure causing him
Yeah.
multiple dBs.
Yeah.
Like losing pressure, that shit causing him multiple.
Get a lot of air out of there.
Yeah, it probably be almost a 160 bill. You think 150, high 150s or something like that?
160.
You got
Yeah.
a lot of air coming out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but he losing so much pressure. He
Yeah.
have sunroof taped up still. About to follow.
Yeah, he going to pretty much wood the whole. Oh, well, I said got a lot of room in the little song too. Then what? What song on?
Hey, load the kids up.
He go, hey, the key got to be strapped on top of the car because he ain't no back seat, dude.
Put the car seat that sideways. You getting what's up?
Yeah, right. He put a fortune cookie. What the fortune cookie
Said my
said?
fortune cookie said today.
But she had some drink behind that 40.
Oh, this motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, I got the wrong side over.
Y'all see when I posted that bit?
You keep that straight up.
Oh, when that bit hit, man, I'm playing that same song as soon as I get my shit back.
He don't give a fuck. He just want to say, hey.
That's right.
Damn eye finna pop
Boy,
out.
I was gonna say the same thing.
It's in something like that.
What?
Oh,
It's
really?
something small like that. It's something little. It's
No,
like,
no.
it's like a little one of them little bitty
Hell no. They got that
I
little car.
think I know what you're talking about.
What's that? Bow Wow was driving on Tokyo Drift. Something like that right there.
Yeah.
What is that?
All little car they show you went to. What was it? What, Birmingham? So where you went to, bro? That little car. That dude, man, that dude has a bracelet.
I've been so many shows.
Dude,
Yeah.
that little last car, the one you kept going back to. That little car, man, that dude has a
Oh, no, you talking about
What
Trevon, that little Saturn.
Yo, that
Yeah.
Oh, that bitch hidden for
That
212.
little Saturn was hidden,
Man.
Y'all follow
That little Saturn was
he fuck with
hidden.
Jerry Picture Trevon, what's his name?
I don't think I ever found
That little
that.
Saturn has some
Hold on, I
weed in it.
Hey, you gotta have
Exactly what I'm finna tell you to do.
Five steers gotta ride around it all the time.
Yeah, man. Like you got a race car or something.
I got that fire fence kid, got that tubular fire department.
Yeah. Ride with him all the time. Bro, I'm finna pull the truck out. All right, where you at?
See, they're gonna be racing to get to this one.
Yeah.
Went to the muffler shop, he got them big country. And I said, man, don't put them tips on, bro. Still paid him for to put them tips on. Man, them bitches stayed on a week. Fuck got to talk about it so bad, he had me cut them bitches off.
I want them, like my homeboy got them on his truck. You can't even tell they on them,
Yeah.
but them motherfuckers look, they sound so good.
I did see a dude with some, they may have been quite that big, they may have not. But they were like you said, they were straight up under the middle,
Yeah.
both right there together, and they were kind of tilted down just a little bit.
Face the ground.
You
Yeah.
can barely see them.
They alright then. Yeah.
That'll be alright right
Yeah.
there. That'd be alright right there.
Yeah.
I thought you should have had them bitches coming out the gate. I just been able to come out the side right there.
Yeah, man. Hey,
Clapping, ain't trying to.
hey, what they say? Old cowboy style with it. Old cowboy. Yeah, like I got OBS or something in there. See.
I thought they were gonna do.
They gonna sound good with the X-Pipe. Goddamn,
Yeah.
I can't never remember.
Man, put just some Corvette tips on that song.
I got probably some of you right here.
Them right there.
I don't like them.
I got
the way they sound.
Yeah.
a whole pack of.
That's what you like,